Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna share with you the configuration of my system, what the configuration I am having in my laptop which supports Photoshop latest version and the Adobe Illustrator latest version. Other than those, this system also supports the heavy software which is 10 times heavier than Photoshop and the Illustrator named as CATIA B5, which is a mechanical 3D software, and other mechanical engineering software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Creo. All the heavy softwares is supporting by this system. So this is the Photoshop, latest version of Photoshop. You can see you can smoothly work here and no problems. Just I am showing how smoothly it works. And if you see in this channel, then you'll see most of the works are done in Photoshop and the Illustrator. And here is the Adobe software. So both the softwares I opened at a time, though you can see there is no problems. Both the softwares at a time running very smoothly. So now the thing is, what's the configuration? So let me show you my configuration here. System information. So this laptop I bought in 2012, January 2012, and still now I am using this. This laptop becomes very old, but if you see the configuration of the laptop is still is very latest. And if you have this much of configuration is enough to use all the graphic designing software, all the Adobe software as well. So here you can see I'm using Microsoft Windows 10 Enterprise here, and the system processor, this is the important one, Intel R Core TM i5. This is the i5 generation. When I bought this computer, that time the second generation of the laptop came out to the market, which was i5. So you need to have i5, and those specifications, just note it down. 4 logical processor, 2 cores, 2.50 gigahertz. So this is the most important one, and the system type must be 64. So if you have 32-bit, the latest softwares may not run smoothly in your PC. So nowadays most of the softwares are coming out with 64-bit, which is very important. While buying, you must have to keep in mind that you need to have 64-bit. One more thing is that RAM. Most of the peoples always search for the RAM, what the minimum RAM is required. So here my RAM is 4 GB. So that means 4 GB is enough. Don't go less than 4 GB. And memory is up to you. The original memory of this system was 750 GB, and now presently the memory was corrupted because the system becomes old. It is more than 8 years is over. I'm using this system, so I changed the memory, and now I'm using 500 GB memory here in this system. So the most important thing while buying the computer, you must remember this 64 based PC and the processor Intel Core i5. i5 is very important. You must have to remember this one. Don't ignore i5. And if you can buy i7, that's fine, but minimum requirement you keep this one. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Thank you.